So I actually ordered some curly hair clip-ins off of Amazon, and these are, I don't remember the company name, but I will link them down in the description box if you're interested. I believe I paid like $50 for this pack, maybe less than that. It may have been like $35, I'm not sure. But I got them in the color 1, and they are supposed to be a 3C texture. All right guys, so I started doing this half up, half down look, and basically the clip-ins, it's not enough hair. So we're just gonna do a ponytail and call it a day. So my hair has already been combed out and everything. I'm just going to part the hair. I'm using the weft with the 2 clips at the bottom. And I'll stagger them. All right, moving on to the 3 clips. This is the longest weft, and I'm going to start that actually over here. And then I'm gonna add the other clip-in up here. All right, the clip-ins are in, so I'm gonna take some more mousse. I'm gonna see what it looks like if I were to just leave these with my hair without like putting them up. I feel like you could definitely see my hair poking through because it's just so much shorter and it's so much more blunt. I would definitely have to style these somehow. I don't think this hair could just, there's not enough wefts, I don't think. Hence why they were so cheap. So I'm not even mad. That was my fault. So I mean, there's a chance that these could work, you know. I've got 2 little ones left over. I could put those in the front if I needed to like really pull this look off. But I'm going to be putting it into a ponytail. So let me go ahead and add some gel. All right, so I'm just getting all the kinks out and molding the hair down so that it lays flat whenever I put it up. Take some more mousse. And we're gonna put it all around this ponytail so that I can blend my hair in with the ponytail. Got it nice and flat. Next, we're gonna work on these edges, and I'm still using the same gel. And then pull some of these sideburns out. That just gives my face like a little bit more, since everything's so slicked down, I don't look as masculine. I'm gonna dry my ponytail a little bit because I want to see what it looks like when it's like got more body to it. I love the way my hair turned out. This is one of those easy everyday looks you can do with your hair because it's not complicated. I can't fully say if I recommend the hair yet because I have not worn it long enough, but I will link it down below if you just want something like real cheap, like a nice quick look for vacation, or you know, like an everyday look. These are probably good for that. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and hit that red button down below. No pressure. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.